Every music creator knows this pain. You spend hours, sometimes even days, crafting the perfect track, only to hit a wall the moment you start thinking about what to put on screen. Usually, when it comes to music videos, your options aren't great. You can spend thousands of dollars hiring a full production team, or you can spend weeks trying to stitch together a few disjointed, glitchy AI clips that completely lose the plot halfway through. But today, I'm exploring this new AI tool called OneMoreShot AI, which is specifically designed for creating music videos. Now I gotta say, I'm naturally skeptical whenever an AI tool makes a one-click claim. That just sounds too good to be true, especially to achieve a good enough result. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of the idea of letting AI do everything without supervision. What's more, it claims to solve one of the biggest problems in AI video generation: consistency. So apparently, instead of making you generate dozens of separate clips and manually forcing them to work together like most platforms, this OneMoreShot AI uses an agent-based system to plan and generate the entire music video in one shot. The goal here is to keep your characters, their appearance, the visual style, and the story all locked in from the first frame to the last. Of course, all that sounds great in theory, but let's see how it actually delivers in a real-world project. So, in this video, I'm going to take you through a complete workflow, from a raw Suno track all the way to a finished cinematic music video. Let's get started. Here we are inside the dashboard. It's a clean and straightforward interface. We have two main options here: music video and lyric video. And right here, we have a button that allows us to add our song track. Here, you can upload an audio file or simply drag and drop any track you already have. But take a look at the option directly below that. You can also import your Suno song directly into the platform by pasting the Suno link. So for our project, first we need a foundation track. I have this cinematic neo-soul track that I created using Suno.
And I try to move on, but my feet stay slow. I keep hearing that night in the part of me I know.
That is exactly the kind of vibe we want. It has a slow, rhythmic tempo and deep vocals that are filled with soul and emotion. Now, instead of downloading the track manually, I'm just going to click on the song, copy the URL, and paste it into the import section inside OneMoreShot. And look at that, it loads our song immediately, and it even captures the correct song title. From here, we can select the exact portion of the track that we want to use for our music video. You can choose the full duration if you want to create visuals for the entire song, but for this test, I'm going to drag these sliders and select a 60-second portion around the chorus. Okay, now our track is loaded. The next step is to describe the idea you have for the music video. What I have in mind for this is quite simple. I just want a cowboy walking through a cinematic environment. What can I say? I love westerns. So I'm going to type in a prompt describing that concept. Below the prompt field, we also have the visual style options. There are a couple different styles available here, including 90s anime, Ghibli style, and Lego style. This platform makes bold claims about their lip sync, so for our project, I'm going to go with the default realistic visuals instead of illustrated styles so we can see if the lip sync is actually any good. Okay. Next, we need to add a character for the music video. I do find it a little odd that we cannot generate the music video without adding a singer photo. For this project, I do need to go with a specific character, but it would be nice to have the option to create a completely story-based music video without necessarily including a singer or character reference. Anyway, I'm gonna upload the cowboy character reference image that I have here. You can upload any other character images you may need to appear alongside the main character. This is actually the first time I've seen a platform offer that option. Alright, now everything looks good with 16:9 aspect ratio selected. So, let's hit generate. The agent now begins analyzing the structure of the song and planning the shots around it. It's looking at the pacing, the energy, and the emotional progression of the music track so it can create visuals that feel relevant to the song. Here we are. And wow, we're actually presented with the full video straight away. I didn't have to go through endless customization screens, generation stages, and approval steps. This auto mode agent took care of everything from understanding the initial idea to planning and generating the final video. So, wow, this really is a one-click video tool. Okay, let's take a look at the result.
I feel small, small, in the rain, in the rain. I keep walking, walking, but I stay the same. I feel small, small, and I know, the past has my...
That is an impressive result. It really feels aligned with the song, and it has captured the emotion and the overall vibe of the track extremely well. Look at the rain falling, the character's movement, and the way the environment remains visually connected from one shot to the next. And hey, the cowboy's face stays surprisingly consistent. I say surprisingly because all we gave it was one image. It's kind of crazy that this AI has managed to maintain this level of facial consistency using only the single reference image I provided. The transitions feel seamless because they are aligned to the musical beats. And regarding the consistency, the cowboy's coat has not changed color, his hat remains the same, and the atmosphere feels as though every shot belongs to the same world. So yes, it looks quite consistent. It's not flawless by any means. I'm not a big fan of those odd cuts to close-up shots, but from what I've seen so far on the AI landscape, I would say this is still impressive. I almost forgot. The lip sync also seemed almost on point, and in certain shots, it honestly delivered extremely well. There are a few earlier moments where it feels slightly off, even though the mouth movements still look reasonably consistent with the vocals. Now, if you're completely happy with this output, you can go straight ahead and hit save to download the finished video. But if there's anything in the output that you don't like, you can also click the Continue Editing button and make further adjustments to the final music video. Once you enter that editing view, you'll see your timeline on the right and your asset library on the left. Now, look at these frame assets on the left. We didn't manually generate any of these. All we did was provide the basic idea, and the agent analyzed that idea, understood the requirements, and created all of these visual assets automatically. See these cinematic location images. They're moody, dramatic, and honestly, I can't imagine them being better aligned with our concept. And now take a look at this. It has created a complete character sheet for our cowboy using the Nano Banana Pro image model. This is exactly the secret behind the facial consistency I was wondering about. Usually, when I need to create any AI music video, one of the first things I do is generate a full character sheet and use that sheet as a reference throughout the project. This is a little pro tip for you because it helps the AI understand the character from different angles and makes it much easier to maintain consistency across multiple shots. But here, I didn't need to do any of that manually. I didn't even have to instruct the AI to create a character sheet. The agent handled that entire process all by itself. This feels much more purpose-built than a generic AI workflow because the agent automatically handles the key steps typically required to maintain consistency. It's an agent-based system designed to analyze your music and understand how your music video should be structured around it. And also, here we have the individual shots. You can click on any of the clips here and recreate that particular clip by adjusting the prompt. This means that even though the agent initially generates the full video for you, you're not permanently locked into its initial creation. You still have the ability to refine individual shots, change the visual direction, improve a specific camera angle, or regenerate any section that doesn't fully match your vision. Inside the model menu, you can also see that the platform has integrated some of the major AI video models currently available, including Google's Veo, Seedance 2.0 Pro, and Kling 3. And that's not all. Take a look at this timeline. You can select any video clip directly on the timeline, split it, reposition it, and adjust it based on how you want the final sequence to flow. Also, you can toggle lip sync on or off for any individual clip. That's especially useful when a particular shot doesn't look convincing with the lip sync enabled, or when the character doesn't necessarily need to be singing in that part of the video. As I mentioned earlier, there were a few moments near the beginning where the lip sync didn't sit perfectly with me. So I can actually turn the lip sync toggle off for those specific clips. That way, I can keep the shots that already look visually strong without being distracted by odd mouth movements. Okay, once you've finished making all of your adjustments, you can hit export, and the AI will begin reassembling the clips and rendering the final high-quality result. I have to say, this workflow is one of the more efficient AI music video workflows I've explored so far. And yes, it does take some time for the system to generate the final output, but the workload on your end remains incredibly low, and that's where the real efficiency comes from. You provide the track, describe the idea, upload your character, and the OneMoreShot AI agent handles the heavy lifting for you. It analyzes the music, develops the visual direction, creates the supporting frames, generates the character sheet, plans the sequence, and then produces the complete video. Now, I also want to quickly touch on the other tools available in the sidebar, because those turn OneMoreShot from a one-off video generator into more of a complete creative ecosystem. First, we have the AI Artists tab. This is where your custom singers and characters are saved. Once you create a character you really like, such as the cowboy we used for this project, you can save that character here as an asset and reuse them as a reference in future projects. That can also be helpful if you're building a consistent visual identity for an artist, album, or YouTube music channel. Instead of creating a completely new character every time, you can reuse the same artist across multiple music videos and maintain a recognizable identity. Then we have the Content Studio. This is another major time saver. Once your music video is exported, you don't necessarily need to open another editing or design platform just to begin promoting the release. You can use the tools inside the Content Studio to generate album cover artwork, Spotify banners, and Suno hooks. And hey, it also shows that tools for Reels and Stories are coming soon. That's great news. This essentially gives you a complete set of visual marketing materials alongside your music video. That can be a massive help when you're trying to build and scale your presence across multiple platforms. And if you're ever stuck for a visual direction, the inspo feed is also useful for browsing what other creators are making, so you can get inspired and get ideas for concepts. So here's the bottom line. I came into this test as a skeptic because I've seen more than enough one-shot and one-click AI tools fail to deliver on the promise of consistency. But OneMoreShot AI actually produced an impressive result here. Again, don't get me wrong, it is not flawless. There are still areas that could be improved for an even smoother flow, and you may occasionally need to regenerate or adjust individual clips. But for a one-click AI music video workflow, the result was genuinely impressive. And importantly, this was a genuine test result, not something we carefully cherry-picked from multiple attempts. The key advantage here is the speed and efficiency on your end. This is an agent-based system that understands the structure of a music video, and it handles the planning, the character consistency, the asset creation, and even the animation process for you. It understands how those clips should connect and how the overall sequence should respond to the emotional progression of the song. Sure, it takes some patience while the agent is working, but considering the amount of time you can save on manual editing, regenerating, organizing, and stitching separate clips together, that is a trade-off I would take any day. Regarding the pricing, this particular auto mode consumes 33 tokens per second, and they have included a section in the homepage where you can estimate the cost for your full music video depending on your song duration as well. You already have the track, and now you have an engine that can help you build the character, the story, the environment, and the entire visual world that goes with it for your music video. I have put the link to OneMoreShot AI in the description, so give it a shot for your next music video. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI music tools, tutorials, and music-related breakdowns.